The initial earthquake struck overnight on the East Anatolian
The earth
fault
continues
line
to shake along the Turkish
And a
Syrian
state of
border.
emergency has been declared.
Rescuers in Turkey are making desperate attempts to find more survivors 1 week after two catastrophic earthquakes decimated.
Güç sizinle olacak Türkiye. Sometimes we don't get a happy ending. Life is cruel, but we don't choose our path. But we reach for the sky, and the sun will shine, and we'll dance again just like we did last time. Yalnız hissettiğini biliyorum. Kardeşlerim, ben sizin için buradayım. Lütfen korkma, güneş doğacak ve güç sizinle olacak. But I am here to pray, help is on the way. Wish I could heal your souls, take away your pain. I know the sky was gray, but at least we have today. Together we are strong to face another day. God will help us. No matter the war, our souls won't fall. No matter the shake, our souls won't break. Aşklarım, don't be afraid. So